formulate the null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis. So, the real effect of combine with the component of the ay, malalaman natin yung mga processes of hypothesis as we go along in our topic. So, second, identify a statistic that can be used to ask the result of the null hypothesis. So, dito, sinecheck na natin kung yung null hypothesis ba natin sinilip natin or not. Number 3, kung yung for the value, the probability that the statistic at least as significant as the one of the probability of being assuming the null hypothesis. So, dito naman sa number 3, nandito na yung kind of hypothesis testing. Kung ano yung gagamitin natin hypothesis testing. Actually, yung ginamit kong hypothesis, yung i-sustain na hypothesis testing, dalawang klase, but marami pang klase lang. On how we test, on how we test our hypothesis. So, yung gagamitin ko mamaya is the traditional method and the p-value method.